number one today. This is Cooking with Matthew. We're going to be doing a House of Blues a burger. And so right now, I'm just going to start off. I got some frozen patties. I don't like using these, but you know, it's a lot cheaper doing that. So we're just going to throw a little salt and pepper on here. I already got my griddle heating up. I need to probably heat it up more. Put me a little black pepper on here. Just salt and pepper, the meat. I'm ready for this burger. Let's see, there we go. It's going to be a little double stacked burger. These are little quarter-pound burger patties. So I've got that on. Put this in the sink. And I've got some onions over here. I need to put a little oil in here to get these onions. We'll have some little grilled onions on there. Put a little bit of oil on the thing. I've got my onions chopped up a little bit. Let them be cooking. I'll probably use these for breakfast or something. That one. So I'll show you. Oh yeah, and I'm going to show y'all how to get this core out without cutting the thing open. You just get this thing, bust it open. That core comes all the way out. Just get the whole core out. It's supposed to keep the lettuce better longer. I don't know if that's true or not true. That's what a Jamaican showed me. I got the core all the way out now. Now I'm going to cut it. And I'm just going to have slices. I'm going to pull a couple leaves off this for my burger. I'll have a little bit of lettuce. I've got some avocado here, some blue cheese. Tomato, I got my grilled onions, I got all this going on over here. So, get me a little spatula and start stirring this stuff around a little bit. The onions cooking here. The burger's starting to brown up a little bit. I'll go ahead and season this side now. Season the other side and put a little pepper here. Don't want to season it too heavy because they're pretty thin patties. They won't come out. There we go. I got all that working. I guess I can start. I got that, the lettuce out. I got my tomatoes here. I'm going to get me a spoon. I went ahead and cut this avocado up because it's been in there and I didn't know if it was going to be any good, so I wanted to cut it up before I decided to use it. See, it's starting to get a little bit color right there. Just get them out with a spoon. Scoop them out just like that. There's a little spot I'm going to cut off that one. I knew it was getting close. I bought it probably about 5 days ago. I'll just slice that little bad spot off there, slice it off there, and we're going to just get some little slices going on and get it ready for when the burger comes off the grill. So I'm going to flip them over now. I let these things been sitting out for a minute trying to unthaw because I wanted the video to go a little quicker. So they wasn't completely frozen. Got my onions cooking over here still. I don't know if that's really getting as hot as it needs to. Show you what we got going on over here. My burger patty's cooking, my onions cooking there. I'm gonna go ahead and get some plates rounded up. Got some nice artisan bread. They had it on sale today. Everything's just so expensive right now. This was actually cheaper than the cheap bread. Got some nice little buns here. gonna get some mayo here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting a little mayo on here while everything's cooking, trying to get everything ready. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, crumble up this nice piece of blue cheese here. I'm gonna start crumbling this up on the burger because they're getting ready. I'm going to start crumbling that up on it. Let it try to melt a little bit. It ain't gonna melt all the way. Alright, bring you over here and show you what's going on. Blue cheese crumbles up on there. I got my onions grilling up a little bit. I was going to fry some onions put on there, but I wasn't trying to make too, I've already made too much of a mess in here. I'm trying to keep it a little bit less messy. And I got some pickles in here. I got a special surprise on the bacon. I did some candy bacon, so that's what's going to go. Now we're going to put some pickles on here. These burgers are just about, some of them are ready. I think 2 of them is ready. So I'm going to bring it over here so I'm not dripping. Try not to get any grease in here. Go ahead and start putting it on there. I'm bringing these onions down here. Let them fry up a little bit quicker. While the other 2 patties start cooking a little, still cook a little more. They're not quite ready. Got my blue cheese on both sides of it. Put a little of these grilled onions right on top. Show y'all what they're looking like. We're getting stacking it up now. It's going to be a pretty good little burger. Put a couple of slices of avocado in here. Lettuce, tomato. And my candied bacon I have here. Still sort of not exactly anyway, so let's see, barbecue sauce. Drizzle a little bit of that on top. There we go, we'll call that the House of Blues burger. Anyways, if y'all like what y'all seen, like, share, and subscribe, and y'all have a blessed day.